Welcome to English Edge School.
Listen and practice. One day, a wealthy man took his son on a trip to a village. He wanted to show his son how people lived there in the village.
They spent a few days in a nearby house. The son closely observed their everyday lives, their challenges and happiness.
After their return from the trip, the man asked his son how he liked the trip.
"It was great,"
the son replied.
"Did you see how life can be?"
The man asked. "Yes," said the son.
"So what did you learn from the trip?"
asked the wealthy man. The son answered, "I saw we have a pool that reaches the middle of the garden, and they have a river. We have imported lights, and they have the stars at night. Again, we have a small piece of land to live on, and they have fields. We buy our food, but they cultivate." The son added, "Now I know how happy they really are."